off to work. Take trash out. Alright, we gotta go grab something to eat at the grocery store. Alright, let's get on the road. Just grabbing some lunch at the supermarket. Probably guess where I'm at.
Have a good day. Stay cool.
Hot day today. Gonna be definitely a hot day today. Heading back to the car, have to head north. I believe there's a Royal Farms up the road. I'll stop there and get some gas. Hot day today. Not really going to feel it because I'll be in and out of my car and in an air-conditioned building. So today should be relatively peaceful. Gas prices seem to fluctuate between Delaware and Pennsylvania from $3.49 to about $3.69. You would think that Delaware would be cheaper, but a lot of times I see it's the same as Pennsylvania, so I know they're purposely raising the prices because we're supposed to save money on taxes in Delaware. But the thing about Delaware, they raise the price because they know people come here to get, cheaper discounts on things, so they raise the prices. A little annoying, just when I start to notice it. One of the things that should be definitely cheaper in Delaware. Heading north, I want to try to avoid as many tolls as I can. Now, the only time I really take tolls is when I'm running a little behind or I need to get to my destination really fast because I want to get back fast. On the way back, I have a 3-hour journey home. Now, I'm used to that journey. As you can see, it's hot today. I'm used to that journey. 3 hours. I used to drive from Manhattan, New York, Brooklyn, Long Island City to Virginia. I did that for about 3 years, so I'm used to the long distance driving. So I'm loaded up here and I'm hitting the road on the turnpike. I'm paying a toll here, as you can see. I normally take this toll. Now, the other tolls a little farther down, I try to avoid. Completed my first or second one here, I believe. Relatively easy run. Go in, tell my packages here. It'll take a few minutes to come down, grab the package, sign for it, and I'm out of there on to the next delivery. Alright. So far, so good. Not too hot. Again, I'm in and out of these buildings, so I'm staying cool. It's about 90 degrees today. stop. That's my dash camera. Century side. Okay, let's see. Yep. On the side. I'm going to run this package in, and well, not a package, some supplies. So far so good. Everything's running smooth. They come down promptly, sign, and put the contents, the remaining contents back in, and get out as quickly as possible. I don't tarry. I don't normally talk unless someone stops me and ask me what type of work I'm doing. But normally I try to get in and out as quickly as possible, get to the next drop off. I get paid by the hour. I get paid per day, technically by mileage, but I don't get paid by the hours. I'm always on the move, always thinking of how to save money on gas, make sure I don't hit anything, keep that windshield clean, and make it to my next stop safely. So I'm here. It's probably about 30 minutes later. Loading up. I'm gonna get into this next building. I gotta make sure I park where no one messes with my car. So normally I'll park there, or I'll park a little farther up if I can get a spot a little farther close to the door. But so far so good. I found a decent spot. Alternative to parking closer. We're loading up. Let's get to this next stop, and then we got about a 40-minute ride to the next drop off. Moving promptly, efficiently. Use the restrooms when we get to our deliveries. Don't really stop. Alright, we're here. Alright. Gotta fasten some things. And walking in. There you go.
Going up.
I'm an independent contractor, but 1099, not a W-2 employee. Since the pandemic, well, since the restrictions, I've been doing my own thing. So I'm in charge of my own health care, benefits, savings, vehicle maintenance, everything. It's a little more risk, but the reward is much greater.
Going down.
Working for yourself, contracting with other companies. Reward is greater. More risk. I can deal with the risk. It's definitely worth it to me. Any questions about that? Write in the comment section. I'll be willing to answer some. Depends on what they are. Okay, so I'm getting out of here. Back at the RAV Hybrid. Load up and get out of here. Get to the next stop. I believe I have about 40 minute drive to the next one, but I'm gonna show you some scenery before I leave. And you can guess where I am, put it in the comment section. Here's a hint, somewhere in Pennsylvania. I believe I'm using a wide angle lens. I believe the 13mm right here. I believe that's the moon up there. Waxing moon. Let's get this package in. And back on the road. This should be relatively quick. Right now, I'm getting a little hungry. What did I eat? I think I went to the supermarket. That's a hack. Instead of getting fast food, go to the supermarket. Grab your food at the supermarket. And of course, you can still buy junk. But I'm going to be doing jobs like these probably for the remainder until I retire. I don't see myself going back to what people call a normal job. It's a lot more freedom, have more ability to relax, and I can work alone. Since the lockdowns, I've been pretty much doing all my jobs alone, so I'm used to it. It's more comfortable. It's more no responsibility, but definitely worth it. I wouldn't trade this for warehouse job, office job, being a supervisor somewhere, manager, district. I'd rather be doing this. All right, we're at the last one. Yes, we are approaching. Is this the last one? Yeah, we completed it. No torrential rainfall, no wild animals, no tree branches hitting the hood of my car, didn't run over anything, didn't hit anybody. I completed this day very successfully. But we still have to make it back. We have a very long journey going back home. So let's get on the road. And going back can be perilous also. Construction, accidents, gotta keep the GPS on. Without the GPS, I've been in traffic sitting on a bridge, a windy bridge, for 45 minutes. Now, could I have avoided that one? I think I could have. I could have avoided that. This is about a year or two ago. Coming back from Virginia on 95 North. I think I was in Maryland. Yeah, I was still in Maryland, and it was just a nightmare. I put it in park, rolled the seat back, and damn near went to sleep. All because I was not paying attention to the GPS in the construction. Pay attention to the GPS. When you're out on these roads, even if you've going down the road, if you're going over states and you're going to be out on the road for hours, put that GPS on so you can get traffic updates. Some of you may use the radio. I use GPS, Google Maps,